A truck is a real transformer. Instead of a platform, it can be fitted with any body. This is a cement mixer. The drum of a cement mixer spins non-stop even when the truck is moving. If the machine breaks down and the drum stops rotating, the concrete will harden. And then, to get the hardened concrete out, it will have to be beaten with jackhammers for a very long time. Need to change a bulb in a street lamp or lift building materials to the roof? A bucket lift truck will come to the rescue. It is much faster and safer than climbing a ladder. Bulldozers are some of the most powerful and largest machines on a construction site. Some of them weigh over 100 tons. That's like 20 large elephants. A drop-side truck is a multi-purpose vehicle. It can carry almost anything that fits in the body. The main thing is not to overload it. A truck only appears to be big and clumsy. In fact, they even race off-road. A pile driver is a machine that works like a big hammer. It drives piles deep into the ground. These are heavy concrete pillars that serve as a strong foundation for a Crawler augers can drill deep holes in the ground into which foundations can be formed. And some of them can drill to very deep levels to find underground water or minerals. Find out which of the two vehicles is stronger. Choose two vehicles for the competition. This vehicle is stronger. Choose two vehicles for the competition. This vehicle is stronger. Choose 2 vehicles for the competition. Don't overheat the engine when you accelerate. If you reach the red zone, the vehicle will lose power. This vehicle is stronger. Choose 2 vehicles